gentlemen, it's a pleasure to welcome you to Los Angeles. The local Atlanta, apologize. Let's try it again. It's a pleasure to welcome you to Atlanta. The local time here is 2:20 p.m. We do ask that everyone to remain seated with their seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain's turned off the seatbelt sign. We also ask that you use caution whenever you open up the overhead bins, and that's to prevent any injuries from any items that may have shifted during the flight. You may continue to use your mobile devices, however larger electronic devices such as laptops must remain stowed. Also, if you could please check around your seating area, also the overhead bins and the floor areas for any personal items that you may have brought aboard with you today. We invite all of you to visit us at Delta.com or a Flight Delta app, and that's for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight or managing your Sky Miles account. On behalf of Delta, the Sky team, and our global partners, and especially our Atlanta-based crew, just want to thank you for sharing your journey with us. It's been a pleasure having you on board with us. We look forward to serving each of you on a future Delta flight. Hope you enjoy your stay in Atlanta or wherever travels may take you. And also like to wish everyone a happy holiday season from all of us here at Delta Airlines.